Day 8, Guided Meditation for Deepening Self-Awareness. Welcome to your 8th day of meditation. You've shown incredible dedication to building this practice. And today, we'll focus on deepening your self-awareness. This is the heart of meditation, connecting with yourself, observing your thoughts and feelings, and cultivating understanding and compassion for who you are. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Whether sitting upright or lying down, let your body feel supported. Place your hands where they naturally rest, and when you're ready, gently close your eyes or lower your gaze. Step 1. Grounding with the breath. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, and a long, slow breath out through your mouth. Inhale deeply again, feeling your chest and belly expand. And exhale fully, letting any tension melt away. Now let your breath settle into its natural rhythm. Notice the gentle flow in and out, like a quiet tide. Each breath brings you more fully into the present moment. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to the rhythm of your breath, without judgment. Step 2. Observing the mind. Now, turn your attention inward. Imagine your thoughts as clouds floating across the sky of your mind. Some clouds may be light and wispy, while others might feel heavier or darker. Whatever you notice, allow each cloud to simply pass by. There's no need to hold onto it or push it away. Silently remind yourself, I am not my thoughts. I observe them with kindness and curiosity. Notice how this simple act of observing creates a sense of space, a moment of stillness within. Step 3. Connecting with feelings. Bring your attention to how you're feeling in this moment. Without judgment, simply notice. Are you feeling calm? Restless? Content? Tense? Whatever you feel is okay. Allow it to be there, just as it is. As you breathe, silently repeat to yourself, I honor my feelings without judgment. Each feeling is a part of my journey. I am growing in awareness and compassion. Feel this sense of acceptance growing within you. Step 4. Visualizing inner awareness. Now, imagine a quiet lake in the center of your being. Picture its surface, calm and still, reflecting the sky above. This lake represents your inner self, steady, peaceful, and clear. Even if ripples appear on the surface, the depths remain calm. Visualize yourself standing by this lake, feeling its peace and clarity. This is your center, your place of inner awareness, always available to you when you need it. Step 5. Closing with gratitude and self-compassion. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Take a moment to feel gratitude for yourself, for taking the time to deepen your self-awareness and nurture your inner connection. Silently repeat to yourself, I am aware, calm, and present. I approach myself with kindness and understanding. I am grateful for this moment of peace. When you're ready, begin to gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Open your eyes slowly, bringing this sense of self-awareness and calm into the rest of your day. Final thoughts. You've completed your 8th day of meditation. By deepening your self-awareness, you're strengthening your ability to understand and care for yourself in meaningful ways. Tomorrow, return again to continue exploring and growing in this journey. Each day brings new discoveries and greater peace. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.